Hello and welcome to AVID 11. It's very exciting to start with a new group of AVID juniors. I've heard nothing but wonderful things about these AVID superstars, so I'm looking forward to the year. So I'd like to welcome you. My name is Caroline Hooper. I have been teaching AVID since AVID began in the district, and I think that's about 14 years. My goal and purpose as an AVID teacher is to prepare students to succeed in college and beyond. AVID students are going to graduate high school. I'm not worried about that. I want to make sure that they graduate college. And if they go to any kind of post-baccalaureate education, professional school, I want them to be successful. So that's my purpose and that's my goal. This has been an odd 7 months. A lot of things have happened. So I've developed 3 guidelines for the students and I this year working together. The first one is that we act with grace. We need to be patient, forgiving. We need to be compassionate, sympathetic with one another, the people we live with. So we have to have grace in our interactions with one another. The second guideline is to communicate. I need students to communicate, and I will communicate with them. If there's any kind of problems, difficulties, obstacles, things they don't understand, I need students to communicate. If students are not communicating with me, I cannot support them, and I don't know how to support them or what I can do to help them. So communication is really important. The third guideline is show up. I need the students to show up in the Google Meet when we're synchronously in instruction. I need them to show up in the Google Classroom. And I need them to show up by doing their work and doing the things that are expected of them. So grace, communicate, show up. 2 main focuses of AVID 11. First is strategies for success. So this includes what we call WICR in the AVID program: writing, inquiry, collaboration, organization, reading. And then the second focus is college and career. So continuing to explore possible career paths and to continue to explicitly prepare for college. That might include the ACT exam as a juniors and other things. What is assignments and grading going to look like in AVID? We are going to have tutorials this year. They're going to be much more like what the tutorials that students are used to having when we are in school. So they will have tutorials twice a week. They will be expected to show up and participate in the tutorial with their classmates and their tutor. WICR assignments, that's the writing, inquiry, collaboration, organization, and reading. There will be assignments in class that we do. For example, goal setting is something we do at the beginning of every quarter. They writing essays, working on different skills, and finally engagement, that they're showing up and they're doing the tasks expected. Contacting me. I am very responsive via email. So students, parents can email me. My email's right there. It's also on the Southwest High School website. And then the phone number down there. They have told us, the district people, that they were going to forward our desk phones, so the phone right here in my classroom, that they were going to forward that to my cell phone. That would be wondrous. So I'm really hoping that happens. That's why I have question marks behind that number. So I will keep you updated if that changes, but hopefully that does happen. So I want to thank you all for taking the time to view the slideshow, view my video. I want you to know that you can contact me for whatever reason at any time. And I look forward to working with you this year and helping your student be successful. Thank you.